Under the IRS guidelines, to effectively do a 1031 exchange without paying taxes, an investor cannot physically receive the proceeds themselves. So they actually have to have some other means or some other form, a way of holding those assets. So an accommodator is, like I mentioned earlier, is like an escrow company. The money goes with the accommodator. The accommodator holds the money, and then you as the investor give direction to the accommodator on what property or properties that you want to purchase. Now, you can do a 1031 exchange without using accommodator, but it's very difficult, and I have done this in the past. And that would be, and how you would have to do that and line that up is you would, on the property that you sold, you must close escrow. You must simultaneously close escrow on the property you sold and the property or properties that you're purchasing. So in that example, without using accommodator, you would have to buy and sell, and both escrows would have to close on the same day, which is very difficult to do. So that's why the use of an accommodator has come into play to allow investors to take a little bit more time to be able to close escrows on the properties that they want to purchase.